You're beautiful, you're handsome, you're awesome.
Bonjour everybody, hope you're great and welcome back to my channel. If you're new and you don't know me, what's up? I'm OsvalDior and shout out to all my haters. So today is gonna be something not different but something special because oh my god, I have it right here, the Makeup by Mario X Sephora, and I'm gonna do it all using these brushes on my face to A to the Z because this bitch have to be like full coverage because I don't have nothing except my lashes and a little bit of gloss, and that's it because it's all natural what I have it right here, so they have to be glamorous. And I'm gonna do it a little bit of eyes, whatever, we're gonna go into it. If you wanna know if it's worth it, the Makeup by Mario X Sephora, keeping watching and let's do it right now. Okay. So I just got it by mail. This one by Sephora.com or Sephora.ca, and it was sold out like the first day. I'm like, congratulations Mario, because this combo, it's, I don't know, like, you see, it's the first time it's gonna be an unboxing, and then I'm gonna try it. If it's good, if it's worth it, if it's something wrong, I'm gonna tell you, because me, I'm a huge fan of brushes, and this one is the Master Brush Set. So this one is the Mario I don't know how to pronounce his name, like, excuse it with my English. First of all, let's talk about the brushes. So it's vegan, synthetic fiber, and this one is a limited edition, of course, with Makeup by Mario X Sephora. So they have 3 sets. So this one is the Master Brush Set. It's around like 119 US. So in Canadian it's 158 Canadian, and they have the other one is Complexion Brush Set. This one is 69 US and $92 Canadian, and they have Eyes Brush Set. So this one is $59, sorry, and 65 Canadian. And they have 13 pieces inside. So let's open this beauty, because I don't like when I do so unbox, it's like really unboxed. So I'm not like trying to pretend or acting like this. No, I'm like this. So let's open this pretty. So this is what it looks like, the box. Makeup by Mario X Sephora Master Brush Set. So this is what it looks like. Let's open. I can't believe it. I'm excited. Oops. So are you ready? Because I know you have some review. I know people do it some review, but bitch, please. I think it's my turn. Every opinion is different, and me, I give you my opinion. If you like it, my opinion, so keep on watching. That's why you're here. And thank you so much, guys. So be here and support me. So let's open this beauty Master Brush Set. Ooh, so this is come with Mario, and they say some notes. What he say? I love you too, papi. Like, je suis ravi de vous présenter mes ensembles de pinceaux. I'm gonna read it in French because you know I'm better in French than English. Excuse me for my English. So, mes pinceaux, no, mes ensembles de pinceaux en série illimitée. So thank you for the message, Mario. This is so cute. The packaging is very matte finish. I really love it, And they have like, ooh, so this one is the pouch. Yeah, this is what it looks like, the pouch. Pretty. It looks like a vegan material. Oh my god, everything full. Oh, this is cute. This is what it looks like. This is so cute. And then you can do it like that, and you're ready to go your master class, or you can do it like makeup of someone else. So this one is so pretty. I really love it. I can say I really love this gold effect finish. You can see there, like, it's very pretty. That I'm gonna use it? I don't think so, because I have my home brushes holder from Murphy. So they have 13 brushes, face to eyebrows. Okay, so first of all, I need to prep my face. So of course, I'm gonna use the double tension from Sisley. 1, 2, that's what you need. Okay, so when my skin is prepped, I use the foundation. I'm gonna use the Huda Beauty because this one, I told you, like, it was one of my best foundation for 2019. Okay. Oh, I really love the material. Oh my god, I'm so speechless. So this one is for foundation. Look at this. I really love the design, the color. Oh my god, and it's feel heavy. Wow, I'm so speechless. I was like, sometimes, like, for be honest, Sephora brushes I'm not that fine because the quality when I clean it is like all the hair is gone or all the hairs fall out. I'm like, what's good about that? And it's quite pricey for the quality. I'm like, and then when I see Mario with Sephora, I'm like, okay, let's try, let's give it a chance. And so that's why, but wow, I'm gonna put it the foundation. Ooh, oh my god, the fiber vegan synthetic is so amazing. It feels so amazing. Me, I told you I'm a huge fan of brushes. Oh, they call me baby. Oh my god, perfect. So let's apply the foundation. I'm gonna apply the Ura Beauty right there, and I have my mirror right here. Perfect. 1 2 3, 1 2 3, here, here. I really love the texture. For be honest, it's so soft and it's blend so quickly. I love it. Of course, with Mario, like, I give 100% trust because he's a great makeup artist. So that's why the quality should be there, of course. Perfect. So I just finished to do the eyebrows, and I think Mario have one for the brows. Yeah, brows. So this one, what it look like. So this one is for the brows. But you can see they have the sharp for doing your eyebrow, but they don't have the other side like the brushes. Me, like I told you, like you can see I brushes my eyebrows. That's why I'm like, for the brows, I think we should need one. It's very like thick. I like when stuff is thick. Totally. But you can use this one for eyeliner as well, or for smudging like on your low lashes. Yeah, 100%. I love it, but they're missing one brush on the other edge. Yeah, concealer. But for me, honestly, the concealer, I don't use brush. I use it with my fingers. I don't know, I feel it blends so better with the fingers, for be honest. I'm gonna show you the brush. So this is what it looks like. So this one is the concealer. You see, this one is the concealer with the flat brush. This one I can use it for cut the crease. Perfect. So now we're gonna do the contours. So they have two kind of contour. Like you can see, they have this contour with more like we can say oval shape, and this one with a shape like this. So I think I'm gonna use it, this one for cream and this one for powder. Let's see if they don't say like if it's like for cream or for powder. For be honest, when I do my contouring, I do it with my fingers because it's more easy to apply and to blend for me. It's all liquid. I use it with my fingers, and with powder, of course, I use it some brushes because it's a little bit more difficult to blend, be honest with yourself. Okay guys, so I just put the tape of Sephora on my eyes. So now let's do it this. I'm gonna do it a very quickly natural look. So I'm gonna use this brush, and this one is the shadow brush. This is what it looks like. I really love the packaging. The packaging is 2 thumbs up. So I'm gonna use it the Pat McGrath Labs, and this one I'm gonna use it the black one. Just give me a smoky eyeliner. Okay, excellent. And then they have a blending brush. So this one is the blending brush. This is what it looks like. It's a little bit difficult with the lashes already on, but everything can be possible. I'm just gonna with this shade. Oh, I really love this look. Come through, Pat McGrath. I know with you, it's always the best. Detail. Oh, that's what I needed. I didn't know they have a detail brush. So this one is the detail brush. This is what it looks like. Oh, so the detail I'm gonna blend it right here. Oh, so next one, what we have a smudge. Oh, so we have like 4 kind of brushes for the eyes. That's what I like it. And this is the other one. Wow, and this one is the smudge. Oh, but this one I can use this for the low lash. Let's do this because I'm already done. Like, bye bye. Ooh, look at this pretty makeup. This one is very 5 minutes and you have a glamorous effect on your eyes. So with the smudge one, I'm gonna use this one, the one I just tried on, this one, and I'm gonna put it on the low lashes, just like here. So I'm just gonna remove it a little bit, all the settings, have it on my face, like here. Oh my god, so soft. And now I'm gonna put it some bronzer or contour, we can say. Where's my contour? Is it this one? Yeah. So with this one, I'm gonna use my contour. Just tiny like this. Yeah. And then you blend. You do it here too, and you blend. Me, I like to put it a lot of bronzer. I don't know why, because it's everything. Let's do the other side. Flip. I like the angle one because it's very like slash, and then you can see like that. Here, no, I prefer my original one. So is this one. The Jaclyn Hill one of my favorite to snatch. Look. Look, look, look. Hey, quoi de mieux? Quoi de mieux, mes amis? So for the blush, they have here, and this one is the cheeks. This is what it looks like. So pretty, and I'm gonna use, of course, the Lucky Day Coral from Sicily. Ding, 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 ding. Ding, 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 ding. It's me, Valentina. She's so funny, this girl. If you're looking this video, girl, you are amazing. So for the highlighter, I'm gonna use the Tom Ford, and I'm gonna mix it with the Fenty Beauty, like this too, to give me a beautiful wow. This is what it looks like. Look, it's something different for highlighter, like what I have, but don't worry, I can get used to it. So let's do it, this too. And let's apply it like, well, I choose this too because I want something like more soft. It like, I want natural. Yeah, right, just no bitch. This one is not natural at all. And then you can mix it all together if you want. Just like this. It's just one, I didn't use it, and this one is the foundation Powder Precision. I use it all the 13 brushes on my face. So this is the point. This is the point of this video. What do you think about that, then? So let's finish with a setting spray. Just tiny. This is my tiny. You know what I mean? And then, of course, with the Patrita, let's get it dry. I need to put some lipstick. Of course, I'm not gonna stay like this. I'm gonna use the Pat McGrath Labs, and this one is the Elson 003, a beautiful red matte. Look, this pigmented, so gorgeous. Yes. Oh, this lipstick is everything. So this is what it looks like, the final look, using only the Mario X Sephora collection brushes, and I really love it, love it, love it. If you're looking for a set brush, you should go with the Makeup by Mario X Sephora before it's gone, because it's limited edition, I told you already, and I really love it because you have a pouch it's coming with, and you have like 13 brushes. You can use it all over your face like what I did. For me, I really love it, the brushes. I give you 2 thumbs up. Very proud of Mario. Congratulations, because this one is very a beautiful effect, the design, brushes, like the material, the synthetic fiber, It's like everything is so soft, so pretty. So like what I tell you, for me, I give you 2 thumbs up. The Makeup by Mario X Sephora brushes, if you're looking for quality brushes, because it's very heavy, like the material is very good, the packaging, and the fiber vegan brush, I really love it, love it, love it. So you should get it. Me, I'm so proud to have it, because I told you I'm a huge fan of brushes, and this one, when it came out at Sephora, I'm like I buy it, and it was sold out. So this is the end of the video, so don't forget to subscribe to my channel, leave message down below, and don't forget, you're beautiful, you're handsome, you're awesome, and see you every Thursday for a new video.